Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The eraser tool applies the background color to an image. Contrary to what its name implies, this tool does not make pixels transparent, but rather applies the background color versus the foreground color. To use the eraser tool, click the Eraser Tool button in the toolbox and, if necessary, the Tool Options bar. Then set the color to apply as the background color in the toolbox. Ensure you select the correct layer to which you want to apply the selected color in the Layers panel. In the Tool Options bar, you can select an eraser shape to use from the Brush Preset Picker pop-up menu. To set the width of the eraser tip, use the Size slider. Select which settings to use for the eraser in the Type section of the Tool Options bar: Brush, Pencil, or Block. If you selected Brush or Pencil for your type, then use the Opacity slider to set the transparency level of the color that you are applying. To erase using your current settings, click and drag in the photo to apply the current background color.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.